Put this mixture under your tongue before you sleep and never wake up tired. More and more people are always saying that they feel tired all the time. And we are not just talking about older people. Young people feel the same as well. So what's the reason for that? Lack of sleep maybe? Well, the recommended night sleep is 8 hours. But the real fact is that people usually sleep 6 to 7 hours every day. Well, we can just say, that's only 1 or 2 hours less sleep. But wait, these 2 hours less sleep can have big impact on our health and in a bad way. Our body needs at least 8 hours of sleep because that's the time needed to completely refuel itself and to recharge the entire organism. Many people in the world believe that caffeine can help them if they don't sleep enough, but they are definitely wrong. Caffeine can only provide short temporary energy boost, and once the effects are over you will feel even worse than before. You should also avoid watching TV and working on the computer at least 1 hour before you go to sleep. This can be very helpful and it will help you fall asleep much faster. When we watch TV or when we work on our computer, our brain is on high alert, and when we are done with it our organism needs some time to calm down the brain before we fall asleep. But you shouldn't be worried because there is a completely natural remedy that can help you with your sleeping problems. Fortunately, this remedy is extremely effective and you will wake up full of energy and refreshed. The best thing about this remedy is that it's made by easy available ingredients which you already have in your kitchen. So the secret behind this homemade natural remedy is the Himalayan sea salt. Just take a look at the video and you will see the remarkable health benefits that Himalayan salt can provide for you. For example, Himalayan pink salt is also extremely useful for migraine headaches. It can also support the function of the adrenal glands in their effort to fight off disease. The Himalayan salt is also very useful aid in the weight loss process. The Himalayan pink salt can affect the levels of the serotonin, neurotransmitter, so we can also say that it can help you fight depression as well. And the most important thing for this video is that Himalayan salt can stabilize the levels of melatonin, and this hormone is crucial for a good night's sleep. Himalayan salt sleep remedy recipe. All you have to do is mix 5 teaspoons of organic raw honey and 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt in a glass jar. You should consume this homemade remedy every night before you go to sleep. Just put 1 teaspoon of it under your tongue. You will fall asleep faster and you will never wake up tired again. Thanks for watching, and we really hope you find this video helpful. And please share with your friends and family. Thank you.